Want to take your charcuterie board from tasty to scroll stopping? Today I'll show you how to style a beautiful board flat lay and then bring it to life with stop motion photography. Grab your tripod, grab your snacks, and let's make something tasty. Hi, I'm Riley Arthur, and welcome to Platypod TV. In this video, I'll walk you through my complete setup, including the gear, lighting, and styling tricks, and we'll shoot a step-by-step stop-motion charcuterie board. By the end, you'll have the tools not only to have a board that looks amazing, but a short video that's ready to share. Let's dive in. For the gear setup, use a small tabletop tripod. I use my Peak Design travel tripod mounted to a Platyball Traveler. The Platyball Traveler's ball grip allows for a smooth pivot to a 90-degree angle. Next, I mounted the Platypod handle to create a mini tabletop C-stand. This is easier for me to use than my actual C-stand. I attached the Platypod mag grip to hold my phone. I recommend sterilizing your phone before and after the shoot. For lighting, I use two newer panel lights placed on either side of the cutting board, one parallel to the board and one at a 40-degree angle. Then I raise the light slightly above the phone. This creates a nice even light without harsh shadows. Using a clean, neutral backdrop really helps to make the food shine. Wood, marble, or a neutral tablecloth all work great. Now for the fun part, assembling the board using stop motion. I use the free Stop Motion app, and there are other apps on the market with more robust settings. Don't move the board once you've started. Stability is everything. As you build, take a photo in every movement. Place a cracker, snap a shot. Add some cheese, snap again. Don't forget to shoot with each addition to the board. I recommend starting your board with cheeses as a visual anchor. Fan out the cheese slices for a clean, professional look. Fold meats into rosettes or rivers to add texture. Add pops of color and seasonal fruit like berries or figs. Fill in the gaps with nuts and herbs to help make the board feel abundant. And repeat until the board is fully styled. Since you'll be handling food while also taking photos, use a clean finger. I like to use my pinky to tap the screen. That way you avoid cross-contamination. Once you've finished every shot, the app will stitch everything together into a short movie, a perfect shareable video for social media. Stop motion is a great way to add personality and creativity to food photography. You can always add sound and graphics either in the app or later outside of the stop motion app. As a bonus, be sure to snap a few photos with your favorite camera app of the completed charcuterie boards. You put a lot of work into getting them to look so good, so you might as well enjoy it. If you photograph a charcuterie board using Platypod gear, please tag us. I'd love to see your work and also get some charcuterie inspiration. Drop a comment below if you want more food photography tutorials. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Platypod TV. It really helps others discover our content. For more of my work, follow me on Instagram. Until next time, stay creative, happy shooting, and I'll catch you in the next frame.